I was lucky enough to have found this in an attic that is an old, probably made for the tourist trade back in, say, 19 aughts or 1890s or somewhere in that period, but it was made in the same fashion that they've been making them for years and years. What, did she get loose? Rusty.
She's digging a hole.
Oh.
Stop that. I heard the chicken clucking too, and her going. I thought, oh boy.
Got another one. Well, if she gets one on a rope, it's chicken's fault. So anyway, you don't see them made like this much anymore. This is how they should be made. You see the rim or gunnel of the basket, the stitches are touching all the way around. You can't see
Get close up with that.
the actual rim. You want to take this over to it? When I was studying this and with intent to learn how to make baskets, basically this little unit right here taught me everything I needed to know.